Learn shopping English to Gujarati.
खरीदी, कीमत,
And market survival. Welcome to the bazaar. Hey, you are about to survive a shopping adventure in Gujarati without accidentally buying 12 onions and a carpet. Let's make these words stick and have fun doing it. Picture this. You walk into a bright market in Gujarat, ready for
खरीदी,
which means shopping. Your wallet is brave, your face is confident, and your brain is saying, please remember at least one word. Good news. That one word is already
खरीदी,
weekend.
खरीदी,
Is fun, but only if you know what is happening around you. The price tag attack. Now let's meet the tiny shop tag with huge emotional power. Yes, the price tag can humble even the strongest shopper. The word for price is
कीमत,
if you ask, what is the price, you need.
कीमत,
Imagine picking up a beautiful bag, smiling with hope, flipping the tag, and suddenly meeting the shocking.
कीमत,
Your face says elegance, but your soul says maybe not. Try this line. What is the
कीमत,
of this? In your mind, hear a little cash register ding every time you say
कीमत,
offer or trap. Next comes one of the happiest words in any language. It is the word that makes people speedwalk in public. The word for offer is
offer,
conveniently, it sounds a lot like English, which is wonderful because your brain can relax for 3 seconds. You see a giant red sign in the shop window.
offer,
Suddenly, strangers become athletes. The store has a special.
offer,
And now even the socks feel exciting. Discount fever. An offer is nice. A discount is dangerous. Dangerous for self-control, I mean. The word for discount is
रियायत,
This is the magical moment when the price becomes friendlier. A customer asks, do you have a discount? And the seller replies, yes.
रियायत,
Is available today. At this point, the wallet starts dancing. Remember it like this. Hi.
कीमत,
Is painful, but
रियायत,
makes everything feel better. Even that shirt you absolutely did not need becomes practically free, which is classic shopping math. March to the register. Sooner or later, every shopping story reaches the final boss. The line, the beeps, the moment of truth, the place where you pay is the
कैश काउंटर,
You walk 3 steps forward, place your items down, and the cashier points to the
कैश काउंटर,
This is where dreams, snacks, and financial consequences all meet. If someone asks, where do I pay? The answer is, at the
कैश काउंटर,
Do not lose the receipt. This next word looks small, but it can save your day. Or ruin it, if you crumple it into a mysterious pocket dimension. The word for receipt is
रसीद,
After payment, keep the
रसीद,
The cashier prints the
रसीद,
And you tell yourself, I will absolutely keep this safe. 5 minutes later, it is somehow folded inside a candy wrapper, a shopping bag, or another dimension. Still, repeat after me. Keep the
रसीद,
future you will be grateful. Wrong size drama. Now the plot twist. You get home, open the bag, and discover the shirt is the wrong size, wrong color, or somehow for a child-sized elephant. The word for exchange is
विनिमय,
If the size is wrong, you can ask for a
विनिमय,
Think of it as a swap. One item goes out, another comes in. The store allows a
विनिमय,
within 7 days, but usually you need the magical paper hero, the
रसीद,
complaint with style. Sometimes life gives you a broken lamp, rude service, or a toaster with the personality of a brick. That is when vocabulary becomes power. The word for complaint is
फरियाद.
If something is wrong, you make a.
फरियाद.
Try this mini scene. Customer, I have a.
फरियाद.
Clerk, please write your.
फरियाद.
Here. You do not need to sound angry. A polite smile can still carry a strong.
फरियाद.
Calm face, powerful vocabulary. Mini dialogue in the shop. Let's put everything together in one quick, funny shopping scene. Listen like a movie, then repeat the Gujarati words. You say, I am here for.
खरीदी.
Quote. Excellent. You enter like a champion. You pick up a shirt and ask, what is the
कीमत.
Quote. The seller smiles. The seller says, today there is an
ऑफर.
and a.
रियायत.
Quote. Your brain says yes. Your budget says please no. You go to the
कैश काउंटर.
and pay. The cashier hands you the.
रसीद.
At home, the size is wrong. You return and ask for a.
विनिमय.
If things go badly, you make a polite.
फरियाद.
And just like that, you survived shopping in Gujarati. Quick recall challenge. Your turn now. I say the English word, and you try the Gujarati word before I do. Shopping.
खरीदी.
Price.
कीमत.
Offer.
ऑफर.
Discount.
रियायत.
Cash register.
कैश काउंटर.
Receipt.
रसीद.
Exchange.
विनिमय.
Complaint.
फरियाद.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work. You just learned useful Gujarati shopping vocabulary and survived my dramatic market storytelling. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
खरीदी. कीमत. ऑफर. रियायत. कैश काउंटर. रसीद. विनिमय.
And.
फरियाद.
Say them out loud, use them in tiny sentences, and come back tomorrow for more practice. You are doing great.